Please solve question number 1 to 5. See, question number first is saying length of the lattice rectum of the parabola with focus this and directrix this. So always remember about the standard parabola. What is the standard parabola? Y square is equal to 4ax, right? In that the distance of focus from the directrix is equal to, I think that is equal to 2a. So in every parabola that will be same. Distance of focus from the directrix will be equal to 2a, and 2 times of it will be equal to the length of the lattice rectum. Do it. No, we'll discuss these questions after some 10 more minutes. है ना? Do it quickly. Solve it. Five more minutes, right? Okay, let us discuss now. See, first question is, please, वहाँ पे, please switch off your mic now. My voice is echoing, beta. Please switch off it. Switch off it. Okay. Now let us start. So 6x minus 5, 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3 comma minus 4. This is the focus and this is the directrix. Now this is not a standard parabola. Okay, don't worry. Because focus is not of the form 0, a comma 0 or 0 comma b. You know, it is also not of the form like this. Now what we will do, this is the directrix and this is the focus, but we know that this was a comma 0 and this was x plus a is equal to 0. Hence the total distance between them was 2a. Hence what I will do, I will find the perpendicular distance of this point from this, and that will be equal to 2a. That means 2a is equals to distance, that is 6 into 3 minus 7 into minus 4 plus 5 divided by root over 6 square plus 7 square. This is the distance 2a. Hence what I need, sir, I need 4a. So I'll multiply this with 2. 6 3 is 18 plus 5, 23, 23, and plus 7 4 is 28. So this will be 23 plus 28. So 50, 61, something like this, into 61 root over 7 ka square plus 6 ka square. 6 ka square is 36, 7 ka square is 49. So something like this, you will get the answer. 46, 70, 80, 85, root over 85. So 2 into 61 upon root over 85. That means 122 upon root over 85. Okay, this will be your answer. Some calculation error is there. Is it 51? I think it will be 51, right? 23. It will be 51. Sorry. So it will be 102 upon root over 51. So this is 51. This is 102. 102 upon root over 85. Correct? Okay. First question was this. Very easy question. You people understood? Yes. Okay. Okay, sir. Let us solve second question. I don't think that we need to discuss second question, but anyways, I will be discussing each and every question first. Please write the solution. I need to erase it. This is the calculation portion. You can do it by yourself. The main portion was this. What about the distance between the focus and the directrix? That is equal to 2a. In any parabola, that is equal to 2 times of a. Okay, semi-lattice like that. Next, second question. Second question is saying that coordinates of the focus of the parabola y square minus 2ax plus 2ay, this is equal to 0. What I'll do, I'll arrange this parabola first. Y square plus 2ay plus a square is equal to 2ax plus a square. I am adding a square to both the sides. This is y square plus 2ay plus a square. So this is y plus a ka whole square. Y plus a whole square is equal to, take a common, 2a common. Make the coefficient of x as 1. So take 2a common. You'll be getting, sir, x plus a by 2. And we can write it like this. We can write this like 4 into a upon 2 into x plus a by 2 is equal to y plus a whole square. Hence, this is capital Y, this is capital X. So, what is the focus? Coordinates of the focus, sir. Coordinates of focus is equal to x is equal to capital A, let's say, and y is equal to 0. And here a is a by 2. That means, and x is x plus a by 2. So, x plus a by 2 is equal to a by 2, which means x coordinate will be 0 of the focus, and y coordinate will be, sir, y is equal to 0. That means y plus a is equal to 0. Hence, y is equal to minus a. So 0 comma minus a will be its focus. 0 comma, sorry, 0 comma minus a will be its focus. Any doubt? Any doubt? No? No doubt? Please write it. Very easy. Actually, yesterday I have discussed this type of question, right? And where we found the equation of directrix, focus, latus rectum, everything, axis and all, capital Y and capital X. So we have to compare it with the standard equation, that is y square is equal to 4x, and then we'll get the solution. All right. Okay, let us discuss second problem. Third problem I won't be discussing, that you will do by yourself. Equation of coordinates of vertex. Then again make it a perfect square and you can find the coordinates of the vertex. I will not discuss third question. Straight away I'll be discussing the fourth problem, equation of the axis of the parabola. I'll discuss fourth problem now. Shall I erase it now? Okay. Let's discuss fourth problem. Fourth problem is saying equation of the parabola x square plus 2y is equal to 8x minus 7. You have to find the equation of x's. Okay, no problem. Let me write it like this: x square minus 8x is equal to minus of 2y minus of 7. That means x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to minus 2y minus 7 plus 16. Got it? So this will be a perfect square. This will be a perfect square of x plus 4, sorry, x minus 4 whole square is equal to minus 2y plus 9. Okay, take minus 2 common, you will be getting y minus 9 by 2. Why I am taking minus common? See, here this coefficient of y should be 1. Here also coefficient of x should be 1. Alright, so this is 4 into minus of 1 by 2 into y minus 9 by 2 x minus 4 whole square. So this is capital X square is equal to 4ay. This type of equation is there, minus 4ay, let's say. This is minus 1 by 2. You can take a as minus 1 by 2 or take minus common. You can write it like 4 minus 4ay. So here what will be the axis? Sir, axis will be this, something like this, or ye parabola will be like this, downwards parabola. Something like this. So axis is y is equal to 0. Capital Y is, sir, y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. Hence y is equal to 9 by 2 is the axis. These are very simple problems, basic concepts. Any doubt? Any doubt? Simple concepts based on the basic things of a parabola. Yes. Okay. Next problem, equation of the parabola whose focus is this and directrix is this. Chalo, let us do this problem also. Problem number 5. This is an easy problem. 2, 3 and 4 are easy problems. Let us discuss problem number 5. Shall I erase it? Okay. You need not to write the questions. Okay, the questions which I am projecting, don't write them. Okay, I'll send a PDF for that and at your college also. Okay. Question number 5. The equation of the parabola whose focus is given and directrix is given. This is the directrix x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and focus is given, that is 3 comma minus 4. We cannot write it in the standard form. Why? Sir, we don't have the standard focus. So what we will do, sir, we will use the basic definition of the parabola. What does it say, sir? Its distance from this point and its distance from this is equal to 1, which means this distance upon this distance, that is ps upon pm, is equals to 1, or ps is equals to pm. I'll write ps is equals to pm and equate ps square is equal to pm square. What is pm square? So it is h plus k minus 2 upon root over 1 ka square plus 1 square. This whole square is equal to h minus 3 whole square plus y or k plus 4 whole square. Now I think you people can simplify it very well. Simplify it and replace x with h with x and k with y. You'll get the result. No need to do this problem completely now. You understood now what to do? We always have the basic definition concept, focal directrix property. And wherever we will be stuck, we will use this. Till these 5 problems, any problem? Any problem? Okay, we'll do 5 more problems, and after that we will start with next section, that is focal distance and all. Okay, we'll be discussing 5 more problems. Is there any doubt till this problem? Anyone? Sujan, Pranamya, you people have doubt? No? Doubt illa? Okay. Harshita, any doubt? Illa? No doubt? Okay. Okay, then I'll just be projecting some more questions. Do it. 5 more problems. है ना? Please do it by yourself now. है ना? I'll give you the options. है ना? Write the options when you solve the questions. है ना? A, B, C, D. Whichever you feel like it is correct. So question number 6, question number 7. Is there any need to zoom it? No? Okay. Do question number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, shall we discuss now? हो गया. You have done till 10th problem, 10 problems, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can discuss them. Yes, Ganesh Krishna. Shall I discuss? You want some more time? Chalo, all right. I'll give you 5 more minutes. है ना? Do it quickly. Chalo, I think we shall discuss now. All right. Question number sixth. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answers are C, 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 C. All answers are C. How many of you have three correct? At least three correct? Or all correct? All correct. Is there anyone who has done each and every question correct? Okay. Pranam has done all questions correct. Yes? Only three. Okay. You can indicate it by using your fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you are not clearly audible. Okay. Okay, I understood. Chalo. Let us discuss now. And I will not be discussing problem number 6. Is there any need to discuss problem number 6? That was equation of axis and directrix. You can do it by yourself. Chalo, okay. Anyways, I'll do it. I'll do sixth problem is very easy. You have a parabola x square plus 4x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0, right? Now what they want is equation of the axis and the directrix are given by. So this is x square plus 4x plus 16 plus let us write this as 4 is equal to minus 4y minus of 8. 12 12 correct na? 16 ka 4 we have taken to this side and 8 12 to this side. So this is equal to x plus 2 whole square is equal to minus of 4 into y plus 3 y plus 3 correct y plus 3. Yes, so this is the parabola like this. Sir, it will be some parabola like this which will be having equation of what they want, equation of axis and directrix. So axis ka equation is x plus 2, this is x, capital X is equal to 0. Equate this power 2 degree term to 0, you will get the axis, that is x plus 2 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 2 is the axis. And now directrix is, this will be the directrix, which is y, this is capital Y, this is minus b, to plus b, to plus ka minus of a, minus of a is equal to 0. A is 1 over here, a is 1 over here, and y is y plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence y is equal to minus 2. This is the directrix. This is directrix and this was the axis. Very easy question. So sixth problem, I don't think anyone is having problem with this sixth problem. Okay, the correct answer is C, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, let us discuss problem number 7. The focus and the vertex of a parabola are this. Then its equation is okay. No problem. I'll do it also. Shall I erase it now? This sixth problem. Okay. Very easy now. You have to just make it perfect squares, and then x square is equals to 4ay, x square is equals to minus 4ay, and that's all. All right. Okay. Let's discuss some more problems. Seventh problem is if x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the directrix of the parabola y square minus 8x y square minus kx plus 8 is equal to 0. Its directrix is x minus 1 is equal to 0. No problem. No problem. What I will do is I will write it like this. Y square is equal to kx minus 8. I will take k common. It will be x minus 8 upon k. And I will be writing it like this, k by 4 into x minus 8 by k. This is capital X, this is a, this is y square. So its directrix will be equal to, sir, that will be equal to capital X plus a is equal to 0. Hence, it will be equal to x minus 8 upon k, x minus 8 upon k plus k by 4 is equal to 0. See, on comparing these two lines, because these two lines will be equal. Why they will be equal, sir? This is also the directrix and this is also the directrix. Hence, these two lines will be equal. Therefore, minus 1 is equal to k upon 4 minus 8 upon k. You will get a quadratic in k. You can solve it now. You can do it by yourself. अब देता हूँ. It is k square minus 8 4 the 32k is equal to minus 8 4 the 32 minus 4k, which means you will be getting k square plus 4k minus 32 is equal to 0. You can solve this quadratic now. ठीक, 8 4 the 32, 8 minus 4, maybe one root is 8 and 4. देख लेना, check कर लेना. All right, so we have solved two problems, 6th and 7th. Any doubt in these two questions? No doubts? Doubts illa? ಏನಿದ್ರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟಾ? No? ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay. Okay then. I will erase this now. Harshita, you have any samasya? Any problem? No? Okay, no problem. ठीक है. Next is question number 8. The focus and the vertex of the parabola are the points 0, 2 and 0, 4. Okay. 0, 2 and 0, 4. It should be like this on the y-axis. अगर मैं ढंग से बनाऊं तो मैं ऐसे बना सकता हूं. Look, 0, 2 and 0, 4 will be like this. This will be 0, 2. This is focus. And 0, 4 is the vertex. For sure, the parabola will be like this. Parabola will be like this, mundi downwards, and this is a line parallel to the y-axis. Okay. Now let us first discuss method number 1 for these type of questions. Method number 1 is the basic method, the fundamental method. Sir, if this focus is 0, 2 and vertex is 0, 4, right? Vertex is 0, 4, then its directrix, that means directrix will be a line which will pass through. See, this should be the midpoint of directrix and the foot of the directrix and the focus. So this should be 0, 6, 0, 6, right? And this will be the directrix, which is, see, this line is, sir, this line is x is equal to 0. This line should be y is equal to 6. This is directrix. This is focus. Use focal directrix property. What is that, sir? It is p h comma k. P point, which is h comma k. This distance and this distance. This should be equal. So h k minus 2 ka whole square plus h minus 0 whole square is equal to distance. This distance should be k minus 6 upon root over 1 ka whole square. You can find the equation of the parabola using this. Let us find it out. It is k square plus 2 2s are 4 minus 4k is equal to h square, sorry, plus of h square is equal to k square plus 36 minus 6 2s are 12k. K square cancelled. So this will be something like this. X square is equal to minus of 8y. K I am replacing k with y, minus 8y, 36 minus 4, so plus of 32, which means minus of 8. If you take common, you will be getting y minus 4. It is equal to x square. See, initially we understood this parabola will be something like this. X square is equal to minus 4ay or minus 4by type, and this will be the parabola. And we have found this equation using basic definition. I have not solved it using any other method. I just solved it using the basic method, the fundamental method. Any doubt? See, while doing these questions now, you will understand what are the basic concepts, basic fundamentals of parabola. Only on these simple concepts you will be getting questions in JEE Mains. They are not going to ask you some very tough problems in these chapters. Okay. You understood. Now let us discuss about method number 2, where we can write the equation directly. Let us discuss about the method number 2. We can write the equation directly. Shall I erase it? First method. Yes, you can shake your mundi like this. Okay. 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 I'm erasing this. See, while seeing this parabola, we already understand that its axis will pass through this. Vertex is 0 and 4. So this, the nature of the parabola will be capital X square is equal to minus 4 by. This type of nature it will be. X square is equal to minus 4b1. What is X? Sir, X, capital X means vertex, that is X minus 0 whole square is equal to minus 4b into what is Y? Sir, Y is Y minus 4. Why? Because if I put this as 0, I'll be getting 4. So Y minus 4. Now what is A? This B. This distance is A, which is 2. This distance is 2. Hence B is 2. So minus 4 into 2 into Y minus 4 is equal to X square. This is your answer. We are getting this answer. Any problem now? Minus 4 into 2 into Y minus 4. Any issue? Any problem now? No? All okay? Very good. Very good. We have discussed these problems 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Now let us quickly discuss 9th and 10th also. And after that, we will move with our parabola further sections, focal distance and all, parametric points and all. Okay. Shall I erase it now? Okay. Question number 7. Sorry, question number 9. The coordinates of the point of on the parabola y square is equal to 8x whose focal distance is 4. Ninth वाला wait है ना, ninth वाला leave ninth question, इसको बाद में करते हैं, we'll solve it later on. ठीक है, let us do 10th problem. I have to discuss one point and then we will solve question number 9. It will be very easy. Then 10th is if the vertex and the focus of the parabola are this and this. See, vertex and the focus of the parabola are y coordinate is fixed. So this will be like this. This is vertex is 3 comma 3 minus 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 3 is the vertex. This is vertex, this is focus. So parabola will be tilted like this. It will be like this. That means this parabola will be equal to y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, getting why? Because this line is parallel to the y-axis and axis is parallel to the y-axis. So ऐसा मिलेगा. Now, what will be its vertex? Sir, vertex will be the midpoint of this. Midpoint of this. Sorry, what? यार मैंने क्या गलती कर दी? Wait. This is vertex. Vertex is already given. So parabola's nature will be like this. Okay, no problem. We don't have to find vertex also. Okay, vertex and the focus 3 comma 3. Vertex is this. So this is y minus 3 is equal to 0 is equal to minus 4a into x minus 3. Getting my point? Why this is 3 comma 3? So this is y minus 3 is equal to 0 and this x minus capital X and capital Y is equal to 0. That means y minus 3 and here it will be x minus 3. Now we have to find a. A is the distance between these 2 points. What is its distance? Sir, this distance will be 3 plus 3, 6. This distance will be 6. Hence, we'll be getting the equation y minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 4 into 6 into x minus 3. That's all. This will be your answer. You want to use the basic definition, most welcome. You are you should use if you want. Getting my point? But this much is a bit simple and bit easy. You'll get the answer very quickly. Why? How I found the nature of the parabola? Seeing the axis. The axis will be the line joining focus and the vertex. That will be the axis. And axis is parallel to the y-axis. Hence, the nature of the parabola will be y square is equal to minus 4ax. You people are comfortable now on solving these 10 problems. I think you might be comfortable now. You might be knowing what is vertex, what is directrix, what is focus, what is this and this. Yes, all okay now? Chalo, okay, okay. We'll just start with next section. Put the heading. Put the heading. Focal distance. Focal distance. ठीक है? Of a point. Focal distance of a point. Focal distance of a point. Focal distance of a point. Focal distance. Focal distance of a point. Right. What do you mean by focal distance of a point? See, if you have a parabola and you have any point P, whose, let's say, x coordinate is x of P and y coordinate is something y of P. This is your focus S. This is your focus S. So this PS is equal to focal distance of point P from point P, focal distance of point P. That means distance of the point from the focus is known as focal distance. And if I make this as a directrix, अगर मैं इसको एक directrix बना दूं, getting my point? If I make this as directrix, PS is equal to PM. Yes, sir. PS is equal to PM. This is a comma 0, and this particular point is at a distance of a units from this. That is minus of a comma 0. So what will the distance, sir? PS is equal to PM. Yes, sir. So PS is equal to PM means this distance is equal to a plus x coordinate of P. A plus x coordinate of P, that is x coordinate of point P. Hence, focal distance is equal to a plus x coordinate of the point P. Please note this. Focal distance of any point from So now if you solve the question number 9, I'll just solve question number 9 for you. If we will use this concept, it will be very easy now. Okay. It is saying parabola is y square. Question number 9 is saying parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, 8x. Sorry, y square is equal to 8x. It is y square is equal to 8x. You have to find the focal distance of this point is given as 4. This distance is 4. This is a comma 0. That means 2 comma 0. This focal distance is given as 4. So what I will do, sir, I will be writing the point P, x coordinate of point P. Focal distance, that means PS is equals to a plus x coordinate of point P, which is equal to 4. What is a? A is 2. So 2 plus x coordinate of point P is equal to 4. Right. So x coordinate of point P is equal to 2. If x coordinate is P, equation में put कर दो, put x is equal to 2 over there. So 8 2s are 16, y is equal to plus minus 4. So hence you will be getting, if you put x coordinate in the equation, we'll get the corresponding value of y. So y square is equal to 8 into 2. Hence y is equal to plus minus 4. So 2 comma plus minus 4. These 2 points will be at a distance of 4 units from the focus. Any doubt? ಏನಿದ್ರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. All right, we will solve three more questions, है ना? Three more good questions. After that, I will start with parametric points. So let us solve three questions. First question is, I'll show you the questions. है ना? Wait. These questions you have to write. Okay. Write this first question. Acha, this the point in the red colored pen. Write this point also. PS minimum means the minimum distance from the focus is of the vertex. Vertex is the point which is at the least distance from focus, because x coordinate of P is going to be positive always. Hence, the distance will always be greater than A. All right. So vertex is the point which is at least distance from the focus. Okay. Now solve the problem number. Next question. Find the equation of the circle with center at the focus of the parabola. Y square is equal to 8x and touches the parabola. Please understand this point, that the point which is at the minimum distance from the focus is the vertex. Do it. All right, shall I discuss this problem now? Focal distance of a point this. Huh? Look, y square is equal to 8x and which touches the parabola, y square is equal to 8x, right? Okay. please tell me one thing. I want to ask from you that if I make a circle who is having the center, which is having the center at focus. Okay, now let us try to make the circles, make different circles. If I make a circle which is touching this parabola at this particular point, I cannot make this circle. मैं इसको नहीं बना पाऊंगा, मुश्किल हो. Look, if it is, if it is touching at this point, it will surely intersect at some other point to the parabola, because this distance is the least. मतलब आप, you can observe this. So this type of circle is not possible. Which type of circle is possible then, sir? Is it possible also or not? So the circle which will be possible, that is going to be like this. Look, that circle is going to be like this. If the circle wants to touch the parabola, it should be like this. It can touch at this particular point. If it is touching over here, it will surely intersect the parabola. Okay, so hence what will happen, sir? This distance will be 2, because this focus, this 2 comma 0, focus is 2 comma 0, because y square is equal to 8x is the equation of the parabola. Hence this is 2 comma 0 center, and radius we have got of the circle. Now I can easily write the equation of this parabola, x, sorry, is this circle, x minus 2 square plus y square is equal to 2 square. This is our circle now. All right, any problem? This should be the circle. It is not looking like a circle, but okay, we will assume that it is a circle. Okay, let's solve another problem. Please write the solution of this problem also. Done? Okay, let's see next problem. Problems also you have to write now. ये वाला problem भी लिख लेना please. Okay, this is okay. Next question. Let a circle, write this. Let a circle touches a given circle. Let a circle touches a given circle and a given line. And a given line. एक सर्कल है, ठीक है, that circle is touching a given circle, means a fixed circle and a fixed line. A circle is touching a fixed circle and a fixed line, right? Then identify the locus of the center of the variable circle, which is touching the line and the circle. You have to identify the locus of the center of the circle. You just write this question. I will explain this question to you. Write this question. I'll just explain it to you. I hope you have written. Find the circle which touches the given circle and a given line. Right? A given line or a circle है ना? It is touching, that circle is touching this line and this circle. इस तरीके से line is external to the circle. I'll just tell you this question. Look, this question is based on definition. This problem is from SL Loni book, plane coordinate geometry. Okay. We have a circle and we have a line. Okay. All right. Now some variable circle is touching this line and this, touching this line at, let's say, this particular point, and this circle. All right, chalo. Let me write its center as R1. Let me take its center as R1. Okay, and this its center as C1, and let us take this line as L, and this distance will be R. Radius of this circle will be or R. Okay, this is C. Ajay, from this particular thing, I am unable to identify what will be the locus because this distance is R plus R1. And we can write the distance. So, sir, C1 is equal to R plus R1. But this distance will vary. From this line, the distance will vary. Why it will vary? Sir, it will vary because क्यों vary करेगा ये? बताओ. Because sir, if the radius is small, means circle is somewhere over here. यहाँ पे होता है circle कहीं. फिर दिक्कत है. So what I'll do is I will make a parallel line at a distance of R1 units from this line. Then sir, then this CL dash, let us say this point is L dash. CL dash is equal to R plus R1 always. यहाँ पे भी सर्कल होगा तो भी ये डिस्टेंस R plus R1 आएगा ना. ये डिस्टेंस R1 है और ये डिस्टेंस R है. तो कहीं भी if we will take a circle over here also, here also, anywhere, right? This distance will be R1. So R plus R1 this distance of the center C from this line L dash will be R plus R1 always. This is R plus R1. Hence CC1 is equal to CL dash. Means the distance of this particular point from this line and from this point is always equal. Hence, I will be getting a parabola. That means the locus of the point which is equidistant from a line and a point is a parabola. Hence, we will be getting the locus as a parabola. And I can tell you, I can show you how the circle will move. It will move like this. Parabolic in nature. Okay. Any problem now? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ? Yes. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay. Okay. One more problem I'll be doing. Write this problem. Two parabolas have the same focus. Two parabolas have the same focus. Question is, two parabolas have same focus. Same focus. Two parabolas have same focus. Okay. If their directrix are x-axis and y-axis, if their directrix are x-axis and y-axis, prove that the point of intersection lies on the line lies on y is equal to x. This is the question. Two parabolas have same focus. If their directrix are x-axis and y-axis, prove that the point of intersection lies on the line y is equal to x. और चलो, you can take this question as your own homework, है ना? इसको you can solve it later on also. We can discuss this problem tomorrow. Just write this question. Now let us proceed further. Let's discuss some more important points. All right. Written now. Let us discuss some more points. Put the heading parametric points. Parametric points. Parametric points. Parametric points में let's see, if we have a parabola y square is equal to 4ax, this parabola, at this particular parabola, if I take a point as 80 square, so this point will be 280. What is parameter now? Parameter is t. We have to convert the equation of two variable into a single variable. That is, if we write this point as p, so I will be writing this point as p of t. P of t means the point will be 80 square comma 280. I can verify this, or you people also can verify this. If you put x is equal to 80 square, 4a into 80 square, so y square, that means y is equal to 280. Sir, why you are not taking minus 280? One point below, just below this point will be 80 square comma minus 280. So that doesn't matter. So you have to take this point as 80 square comma 280. This is the standard parametric point on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax on the parabola. Any problem? Okay, so give me a question. Sorry, solve this question. Y square is equal to, let's say, 12x. Find t for the point, parameter t for the point. 3 comma 6. So 3 comma minus 6. चलो ठीक है, 3 comma 6 and इसके लिए t निकालना है, और y square is equal to 12x (1 by 12 comma minus 1) for this also. Find t for both these points. Y square is equal to 12x is the parabola. Point is 3 comma 6. Find t. And point is 1 by 12. Find point t. Remember, whenever you have been asked to find t, we will be solving it using the y coordinate, not the x coordinate. Why, sir? Because this is in a square term, 80 square. 80 square लिखा हुआ है, तो फिर there is a problem. Getting my point? 80 square. Okay. This is 280. This is 280. From this we can easily tell whether t will be positive or t will be negative. From this point we cannot tell very easily whether t will be positive or negative. Hence we will be solving it using the y coordinate. All right, chalo, let us solve this using y coordinate. What is a over here? Sir, a is 3 over here. A is 3. So point y coordinate is 2a into t is equal to 6, which is 2 into 3 into t is equal to 6. That means t ka value is 1. T is 1. And from here, if we have solved it using this, we might get t is equal to 1 and minus 1, or we will get t is equal to 1 and minus 1. And then again, we have to solve for y coordinate. We can see what is t. Okay, so please do it using y coordinates. For this problem also, if I write 2a(t), that is 2 into a is 3 into something t is equal to minus 1, so t is equal to minus 1 by 6. Its parameter is minus 1 by 6. Is there any problem till now? Is there any problem? Anyone till now? No? No problem? Sure? Okay. Okay. Chalo, let us discuss about focal distance also now. Focal distance we have studied earlier. What was the focal distance? Okay. This is our parabola, standard parabola. This is any point P, which is 80 square comma 280. This is the focal distance S, that is A comma 0. And let us assume this point to be O00 or V, vertex V or O, anything, whichever you want. So focal distance PS is equals to A plus X coordinate of point P, which is equal to A plus AT square. And if you take A common, you'll be getting 1 plus T square. From here also, I can easily see that PS is always greater than equal to A. PS minimum is the vertex. Because this T square will be positive, 1 plus something positive will be greater than 1. Hence, PS is always greater than equal to A. All right. This is our focal distance. Now, can you please tell me what is the slope of this line OP? Point joining the origin to the point, parametric point P. Let us find it out. 280 minus 0 upon 80 square minus 0. Hence, this is 280 upon 80 square. This and this is cancelled. This and this is 2 by T. This point you have to remember. Learn it. Learn it. याद रख लो इसको. I mean, I should better say रट लो. ठीक है. Slope of this m of OP is 2 by T. Slope of this line is 2 by T. Any doubt? No doubts now? Yes, Ganesh Krishna, you have doubt? पूछो, ask. Tell me. I cannot listen to you, beta. Please speak up. You are not audible, Ganesh Krishna. Please speak up if you have any problem. Okay, what do T refers to? T is a parameter. When we were writing x square plus y square, x is equal to r cos theta, r sin theta, there theta was the parameter. Here T is a parameter. You change the value of T belongs to r, you change the value of T, you will get different points on this particular curve. Understood? All right. All right. ओके ओके सो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. चलो, chord joining 2 points T1 and T2. 2 points T1 and T2. चलो भाई. Let us write this. This point is T1, AT1 square, comma 2AT1. This point is Q, AT2 square, comma 2AT2. 2 points. This is the chord. Can you find slope of PQ? Please find the slope of PQ. Do it by yourself. Find slope of PQ, and then we will write the equation of PQ. उसके बाद I will write the equation. Let us find the slope. Slope is, sir, it is 281 minus 282 divided by 81 square minus 82 square, which means if I take 2a common, I'll be getting T1 minus T2 upon a into t1 square minus t2 square, which is t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. Cancelled. A cancelled. So this is 2 upon t1 plus t2. 2 upon, I will write it somewhere over here. Slope of this PQ is 2 upon t1 plus t2. 2 upon t1 plus t2. Slope I have found 2 upon t1 plus t2. You have to learn it. है ना? याद रख लो please. ठीक है. Slope of this line means this chord is 2 upon t1 plus t2. If anyone can please find the equation of this chord. Anyone from your side can find the equation of this chord. That is very easy actually. Y minus y1. Take any point. Let us take this point. Y minus 2a t1 is equal to m, that is 2 upon t1 plus t2 into x minus a t1 square. Multiply कर दो y into t1 plus t2 minus 2a t1 square minus 2a t1 t2 is equal to 2x minus 2a t1 square. Cancel. Hence the equation will be y into t1 plus t2 is equal to t1 plus t2 is equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. Learn it. याद कर लो इसको. ठीक है. Now if any property of this chord is given or any point through which this chord is passing and anything, we can use this equation directly. Y into t1 plus t2 is equal to 2x plus 2a t1 t2. Moreover, the slope of the chord must be remembered, that is 2 upon t1 plus t2. Moreover, the equation of this, the slope of this chord must be remembered, which is y into t1 plus t2 is equals to 2x plus 2a t1 t2, 2x plus 2a t1 t2. This is the equation of the parabola, the chord which is joining 2 points t1 and t2 of the parabola. Understood? ठीक है. चलो, tell me one thing. Write this as a note. If this chord passes through, write it. If this chord passes through C comma 0, if this chord passes through C comma 0, small c comma 0, tell me the condition of T1 into T2. Tell me what will be the condition for T1 into T2. If the chord passes through C comma 0, means y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is C. Tell me what will be the condition for this T1 T2. So if it passes through C comma 0, if it passes through C comma 0, so we'll see 0 into T1 plus T2, that is 0 itself, 2 into C plus 2a T1 T2, 2a T1 T2. So this will be cancelled, 2 or 2 उड़ा दो, 0. Hence C is plus a T1 T2 is equal to 0, or T1 into T2 is equal to minus C by A. T1 into T2 is equal to minus C by A. Please remember it also. Learn it. T1 T2 is equal to minus C by A. If the chord is passing through, if you have T1 over here, T2 over here, and this is some point C comma 0. So T1 T2, product of T1 T2 is going to be minus of C by A. Minus of C by A. T1, T2 is equal to minus C by A. T1, T2 is going to be minus C by A. Any doubt? Any doubt? ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ? ओके ಇಲ್ಲ. ठीक है. अच्छा चलो C comma 0 say we understood that it is T1 T2 is equal to minus C by A. Okay, all right. So for focal chord, focal chord, it will pass through A comma 0. If this chord is a focal chord, it will pass through A comma 0. A comma 0 means T1 T2 का product will be equal to, sir, that will be equal to minus of A by A. Hence T1 T2 is equal to minus 1 for a focal chord. ये तो बहुत ही important है. This is very important. If a focal chord is given, T1 T2 is minus 1. This is most important point. When the chord is a focal chord, T1 into T2 should be equal to minus 1. है ना? You will get a direct question on this. This is the focal chord, and let's say T1 plus T2 is given, and T1 T2 you already know that it is minus 1. You can find the points and you can find the distance. कुछ भी कर सकते. Okay, I think there was some network issue over there. Chalo, okay. Now all okay? Okay. So if this chord is passing through, ठीक है, T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. If this chord is passing through focus, that is A comma 0, this T1 T2 will be minus of 1. चलो. Do one question based on this. एक simple सा question करते हैं. Very simple question. This is a parabola. Y square is equal to let's say 8x. Uh, 8 8 this is y square is equal to 8x. Okay. Let's say this is 8 comma 8. Okay. And this is some point q. If PQ is a focal chord, find Q. Q point निकालो. Y square is equal to 8x is a parabola, and if PQ is a focal chord, find Q. Done. What is the answer? Huh. Okay. All right. I understood. Very good. See, we will find its t first. So 2 into a, that is 2 into t1 is equal to, let us say this is t1. So if this is t1, 2 into a into t is equal to 8. Let this point 8. So 4 divide, that means t1 is equal to 2. So therefore T2 is equals to minus 1 by T1, which is minus 1 by 2. So if this is minus 1 by 2, hence this point will be A into T2 square, comma, comma 2A T2, 2A T2, which means A into 2A T2, which means A is 2 into T2 square. T2 square is minus 1 by 2 ka square, that is 1 by 4, comma 2A, that is 2 into 2 into minus 1 by 2. Hence this is cancelled. So we'll be getting the point as 1 by 2 comma minus of 2, 1 by 2 comma minus of 2, correct? 1 by 2 comma minus of 2. Ganesh Krishna 0.45, it is not correct. 0.25, sorry, 0.5, 0.5 comma minus 2, 1 by 2 comma minus 2. Very good. You people are understanding these points. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Good. All right. Let's see some more examples. Okay. ठीक है, we have understood what is a focal chord and how we will use it. Now I have one more question for you all. Question is, a chord meets the parabola at A and B, at the points A and B. Okay. Points line joining, yeah, meets at A and B, and the chord subtends a right angle at vertex ठीक है. Prove that the chord passes through ठीक है, passes through 4,0. Parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. This is the parabola. Y square is equal to 4x. अच्छा, ठीक है. This is the parabola and this is the question. A chord meets the parabola at A and D, and the chord subtends a right angle at the vertex. Prove that the chord passes through 4,0. Prove that the chord passes through 4 comma 0. I'll explain you the question basically. The question is saying you have the parabola y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to 4x, and this is the point A. At this is the chord intersecting this at A and B. And now this chord is making a right angle at the vertex. That means if you join these two, this, yeah, this is a parabola, some sort of a parabola है, ऐसा कुछ parabola है ना? This chord is making a right angle at this vertex. You have to prove that this chord is passing through 4 comma 0. Now, how to do this problem, how to approach this problem? What I will do, I will take this point as T1 and this point as T2. All right. Now this vertex is 0 comma 0. Yes, sir, this vertex is 0 comma 0. So please tell me slope of, let it be O. Slope of OA into slope of OB will be equal to -1 or not? Why, sir? Because OA is perpendicular to OB. OA is perpendicular to OAB. That means slope of this line into slope of this line is -1. Hence, slope of OA is कितना है? What is its slope? 2 by T1. I have previously discussed this 2 by T1. This is 2 by T2. This is -1. Hence, T1 T2 is equals to minus of 4. T1 T2 is equals to minus of 4. ठीक है. Getting my point? T1 T2 is -4. Now what you'll do? Sir, now T1 T2 is -4. If this chord passes through C comma 0, C comma 0 से पास करती मान लो ये chord, तो T1 T2 is equal to minus C by A. Now this is 4, it is -4, and this is C is minus of C divided by A. A is, sir, it is 1, so that means C is equal to 4. Hence this point is, this chord is always passing through 4 comma 0. This chord is always passing through 4 comma 0. This chord will always pass through 4 comma 0. किससे पास करेगी? 4 comma 0 से पास करेगी. Any doubt? No doubts? Okay. Okay. Very good. Let's solve one or two more problems. Next problem is, question is, find the locus of point of trisection of double ordinate double ordinates double ordinates of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Locus of point of trisection. What is trisection now? Bisection is half, trisection is 1 by 3. Means 3 equal parts. ठीक. Section, bisection. So 1 by 3 means 1:3 ratio. मतलब आप ऐसा समझो. I'll just tell you. This is the parabola. This is a parabola. Okay. And for this parabola, we have a double ordinate. Let's say this point is some point P which is having h comma k. This is the point. Now this ratio should be 1 and this ratio should be 2 because ये जो ट्राइसेक्शन वाला पॉइंट है वो ऐसा होता है समथिंग लाइक दिस डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू दिस डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू दिस डिस्टेंस. ठीक है. नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू द वे टू फाइंड इट. You can easily find the locus now. कैसे? See, if this point is 80 square comma 280, you understood that trisection means if this is the line segment AB, and I will be having 2 points which are equally dividing it. So this point, ये point घूम के यहीं पे आएगा. ऐसा कुछ locus you will be getting. So this is h comma k. 80 square comma 280. This is 1, this is 2. Now find the locus of the point of trisection of double ordinates of this. Okay, all right. This should be 80 square, comma minus 280. Now what I will do? Sir, very easy. Now h is equal to 80 square. So h is equal to 80 square. X coordinate will be same on this line. And what about the k coordinate? 1 into minus 280, 1 into minus of 280 plus 2 into 280, 2 into 280 divided by 1 plus 2 is equals to k. Hence, that means 280 is equal to 4 or 3k, which implies that t is equal to 3k upon 2a. Hence, I will put the value of t over here. So I'll be getting h is equal to a into 3k upon 2a ka whole square. That means k square is equal to 4h by 9 a, 4ah by 9, or y square is equal to 4a upon 9 into x. This is the locus of this point. Y square is equal to 4a by 9x. This is the locus of this point. Hence, this will move in a parabola like this. ये एक parabola बनेगा ऐसा कुछ. Something like this. This is the same parabola, but their latus rectum's length will be different. This will be the parabola, which is the locus of this particular point. You understood or not? No? Understood, Ella? Or understood? Advaita? Yes? Okay. All right, ठीक है यार, बहुत हो गया. That's all, है ना? ठीक है. So hopefully you people understood na everything, है ना? Whatever has been taught today. T1, T2, है ना? More points we will be discussing tomorrow. Tomorrow नहीं, tomorrow will not be a maths class, शायद ना हो. ठीक है? तो all right, है ना? You can go. Okay बेटा, okay.